to home.notch. In this video, I will be teaching you how to DIY ginger lemon cough drop. At such a time as this that all children need to stay at home, indoor. We need to catch some fun and make healthier candy. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, press that subscribe button for more educative DIY. So let's go and make some candy and add fun. Let's have fun together. Once again, these are my ingredients for ginger lemon cough drop. I have my icy sugar here. I have my 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water. I have my fresh squeezed ginger water here. Then I have my lemons too, squeezed one. Then let's light up our stove. Make sure the stove is on a low heat. Now let's pour our half cup of water. Then 1 cup of sugar. Begin to stir. Then let's add a squeeze ginger water. Some people use a dried one. For me, I like it fresh. I like it when it's fresh. Begin to stir it all together. Then let's add lemon water. We are going to stir until it's a little bit thickened. Make sure your stove is on a low heat. Now it has gotten to a stage that we actually wanted. You can see. Let's put over our stove. Then we'll put it down for a little, let it cool a little bit. Just for 5 minutes. Then this is our baking sheet. Make sure you spread it on your board. So we'll start putting it on our baking sheet little by little. Little by little. So we leave it for a while to get cold. Now it has gotten cold. Let's open our icing sugar and sprinkle some on it so that it will not moist together. And let's start packing it into our jar. So we are done. This is our ginger lemon. It's healthy. It can cure cough. If you have cough, you can start licking it. It will go gradually. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.